Muslim English Language Institute. Vocabulary.
Number 1. Beak. Noun. A beak is the hard, curved part of a bird's mouth. Example: the bird used her beak to dig a small hole in the ground. Number 2. Damp. Adjective. If something is damp, it is somewhat wet. Example: my hair is still damp from my shower. Number 3. Disapprove. Verb. To disapprove something is to think that it is wrong. Example: Alex disapproved of his son's behavior. Number 4. Except. Preposition. You use except to talk about the only thing that a statement does not apply to. Example: everyone had fun on the trip except Jim, who felt ill the whole time. Number 5. Flight. Noun. A flight is an act of flying, often in an airplane. Example: the airplane made a flight around the world. Number 6. Fond. Adjective. When someone is fond of something, they like it. Example: I'm very fond of chocolate cake. Number 7. Immoral. Adjective. When something or someone is immoral, they are evil or they do bad things. Example: stealing money from one's mother is an immoral act. Number 8. Ivy. Noun. Ivy is a plant with long vines that grows upward, typically on walls. Example: the walls of the castle are covered with ivy. Number 9. Moan. Verb. To moan is to make a low sound when feeling pain or sadness. Example: the sick man moaned from his bed. Number 10. Oblivious. Adjective. If someone is oblivious of something, they are unaware of it. Example: I was late to school because I was oblivious of the time. Number 11. Perish. Verb. To perish means to die, usually because of bad conditions or bad events. Example: many people perish in wars. Number 12. Pit. Noun. A pit is a big hole in the ground. Example: Michael fell into the pit and needed some help to get out. Number 13. Rim. Noun. The rim is the outside edge of a round thing, like a cup or bottle. Example: I put my lips to the rim of the bottle and took a drink. Number 14. Roost. Noun. A roost is a place where birds can land and rest or sleep. Example: the family of doves made a roost at the top of the tree. Number 15. Slippery. Adjective. If something is slippery, it is wet or smooth and causes people to slip. Example: the repairman fell down on the floor because it was too slippery. Number 16. Soar. Verb. To soar means to fly high in the air. Example: as the sun rose, 2 eagles soared through the sky. Number 17. Trivial. Adjective. If something is trivial, it's not important or meaningful. Example: television is trivial, but learning to read is very important. Number 18. Typical. Adjective. If something is typical, it is normal for a certain type of thing. Example: barking is typical behavior for dogs. Number 19. Utterly. Adjective. If something is utterly a way, it is completely that way. Example: when the sun was blocked by the moon, it was utterly dark outside. Number 20. Weep. Verb. To weep means to cry. Example: My sister told me the dramatic movie would make me weep.